Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about a combination of two natural products that many people call a true natural support for the body. We are talking about garlic and honey. At first glance, this may seem like a strange combination. But for many years, people have used it to support immunity, energy, and overall health. So what happens to the body if you regularly consume garlic with honey? Let's find out. Garlic is known for its natural antibacterial properties. It contains active compounds that help the body fight bacteria and support the immune system. Honey, in turn, contains antioxidants and natural substances that help the body recover and gain energy. When these two products are combined, they create a very powerful combination. Many people consume garlic with honey during the cold season. And here is why. Support for the immune system, helping the body fight colds. Natural antibacterial effect. Support for the respiratory system, soothing the throat. Increasing energy levels. Supporting blood circulation, helping the heart and blood vessels. Antioxidant support for the body. Supporting digestion, helping the intestines. Supporting metabolism. Reducing feelings of fatigue. Supporting the body's overall tone. Helping the body during seasonal viruses. Supporting the nervous system. Natural support for the body without complicated supplements. Improving overall well-being. Supporting the body's protective functions. Helping the body feel more strength and energy. But it is very important to remember moderation. Too much garlic may irritate the stomach. People should be especially careful if they have a sensitive stomach, digestive problems, or an allergy to honey. Usually, it is enough to use 1 clove of garlic and 1 teaspoon of honey. Some people crush the garlic, mix it with honey, and leave it for a few hours before consuming it. But it is important to remember, this is not a miracle cure. True health is always built on proper nutrition, good sleep, physical activity, and balance. Garlic with honey is a simple natural combination that many people use to support their bodies. Sometimes the most beneficial things turn out to be the simplest ones. Thank you for being with us. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. See you in the next video.